Good morning, children. God bless you all. Now, yesterday I sent you the written assignment of Chapter 7, A Ride on the Metro, from your English text reader book, page number 51. Hope you all have copied it very neatly in your English text CW notebook. Now, you can see few words which I have underlined in the chapter. You have to learn the spellings of all these words, okay? And now let me brief you with this chapter. Now, this chapter is about two children, Reena and Tinu. They were siblings and they were visiting their uncle, aunt, and cousin Binu, who lives in Delhi. They both have come from small town called Gaya. Now, Gaya has cars, buses, rickshaws, cycle, etc., but it does not have the metro. Now, these two children wanted a ride on the metro and they were telling their aunt Anjali to take them for a ride on the metro. Now let me explain to you what is metro. Metro is the underground train system in big cities. The Delhi Metro is the rapid transit system serving Delhi and its neighboring cities of Gurgaon, Noida, Faridabad and Ghaziabad in the National Capital Region of India. It was built and maintained by Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC Limited. It is the largest metro rail system of India and it is by far the largest and busiest metro in India and second oldest after the Kolkata Metro. Now, so these two children, they wanted a ride on the metro and they were telling their aunt Anjali to take them for a ride. Aunt Anjali took them for the ride and they were very happy to see the metro station, escalators, the token system, the different colored line on each train since metro trains don't have names. They boarded the blue line train and they were very happy to see the sliding doors and they were very excited that they were traveling underground. Now let's start with the chapter. Ready to go shopping? Aunt Anjali smiled. Now Aunt Anjali came to the children and she asked them, "Are you ready to go shopping?" "Not today, Auntie," Reena said. "Today we want to go for a ride on the metro," added Tinu. Now both the children, they said, "Not today, Auntie. Today we want a ride on the metro." Both the children were telling their Aunt Anjali. Reena and Tinu were visiting their uncle, aunt and cousin Binu in Delhi. They had come from a small town called Gaya. Now Gaya is a small town. Gaya has cars, buses, rickshaws and cycles, but it does not have the metro. Where is the metro? Reena asked as they set off. Aunt Anjali pointed to the metro station. Now Aunt Anjali took them for a ride on the metro and when they reached there, now where is the metro? Reena asked. Then Aunt Anjali pointed to the metro station. Underground, asked a surprised Tinu. Now Tinu was very surprised to see that they are going to travel underground. Look, Reena said, a stair that moves. Now there was the escalator and Reena said, look, a stair that moves. It's an escalator, Binu explained. It's safe, Aunt Anjali said. You hold the handrail and step off in time. Now what did Aunt Anjali told them? She told them that it's an escalator and it's safe. You just hold the handrail and step off in time. Now what is handrail? Handrail is a long, narrow bar of wood or metal that supports people. The people can hold on for support. Can you see this? This is called the handrail. Okay. Now turn your page and come to page number 52. Wee, Tinu said, this is fun. Now Tinu, being a small boy, he said, wee, this is fun. And so fast, Reena said. Wait here, said Aunt Anjali. Now what did Aunt Anjali said to them? She said, wait here, I'll get the tokens. Now what did she say? She said, let's wait here, I'll get the tokens. What's our train called? Reena asked, looking around. Now Reena asked Binu that looking around, she asked, what's our train called? Metro trains don't have names. What did Binu said? Binu said, metro trains don't have names. How will we know which train to get into? Tinu asked. Now Tinu was so worried. He asked, how will we know which train to get into? Each train has a different colored line on it. Their aunt explained as she returned with the token. And when Aunt Anjali returned with the tokens, she said that each train has a different colored line on it. We are taking the blue line. Come on. The children followed their aunt to a small gate. Touch your tokens here, said Binu. The gate will open for you. What did Binu said? Binu said, now touch your tokens here and the gate will automatically open for you. But keep your tokens carefully with you. Now let me tell you what are tokens for. Token is a round piece of metal or plastic that is used instead of money in some machines. Okay. So Binu told them to keep their tokens carefully. Reena held her token tightly. What if she lost it and was not allowed to travel? She touched her token at the gate and it opened. When she touched her token at the gate opened. Isn't the platform beautiful? Binu said with pride. Yes, agreed Reena. So clean too. Here's our train, said Aunt Anjali. And what Aunt Anjali said? Aunt Anjali said, here's our train. The train rushed in. The train rushed in. The minute it stopped, the sliding doors opened and some people stepped out. What happened as soon as the train stopped? The sliding doors opened. Sliding means it's the type of door which open horizontally by sliding. And some people stepped out. Come on, Tinu jumped in excitedly. We'll never get seats. What did Tinu say? Tinu said, come on fast. We'll never get seats. Wait. Binu pulled him back. Let the people get off first. And what did Binu said? Wait. Let the people get off first. Finally, the children got into the train and sat down. Now, finally, the children got into the train and sat down. There is nothing to see through the windows, Reena said sadly. Now, Reena said, there is nothing to see through the windows. We'll be traveling underground. Imagine, Tinu said, all those cars and trucks driving over our heads. Now, what did Tinu said? Just imagine all those cars and trucks driving over our heads. We'll be traveling underground. We are off, Binu, Tinu exclaimed. Binu got up to offer his seat to an elderly lady. Binu got up to offer his seat to an elderly lady. Look, said Tinu. We are traveling above the ground now. And what did Tinu said? Look, we are traveling above the ground now. Look at that traffic jam, Reena said. And we are moving above all that noise and confusion. How will we know when we have to get off? Asked Tinu. Now what did Tinu ask? How will we know when we have to get off? A little worried, he asked. There, his aunt pointed to the display window. We have to get off at the next station. What did she say? There is the display window and we have to get off at the next station. There are announcements before each station, Reena said. Reena said that before every station there are announcements made that which station is about to come. Come on, children, the aunt called. Now, when the train stopped, the aunt said, come on, children. The train stopped. The doors opened and they were out. Did you have fun? The aunt asked. What did she ask? Did you have fun? Yes, said Reena. Reena said, yes. Can we go on the metro again? Tinu asked. It's such fun. What did Tinu ask? Can we go on the metro again? It's such fun. Now, hope you all understood the chapter. You have to do the written work by tomorrow. Please do it neatly in your English text reader book. Tomorrow we will be doing the back exercise given on page number 52 of your reader. Till then, study well, stay home, stay safe and keep watching the videos sent by the school every day. Thank you.